Hi, I'm Alex from Novatech, and I'm here to show you how to fit an NVMe solid-state drive to your PlayStation 5 console for improved performance. What we have here is the Samsung 980 Pro with included heatsink. To fit into a PlayStation, you need to have at least 5,500 megabit per second read speed. With this Samsung, we actually have 7,000 there. We've also got the included heatsink. You're gonna wanna have yourself one of that just to keep the performance nice and clean. To get your PS5, if you've managed to get your PS5. Not all of us have. And the trick you're looking for is to look for the PlayStation logo right there. That's the side that goes down, which means it's the side with the disc tray is up. Go ahead and grab this corner here, and you're actually gonna be flexing the plastic a little bit to lift up sort of a release mech there. Come down here at the bottom and the whole thing will slide just like that. The panel comes right off. You can see these hooks that hold it in place. The actual part we're going for, it's actually really conveniently shown by Sony here. We just need to open up with our #1 Phillips head screwdriver. Retain that screw. Not gonna find another one like it. Lift up this base plate here and expose the NVMe slot. So this is where you fit all different sizes of NVMEs. Most NVMEs you buy today are 2280 size. So as you can see, we've got 110, 80, 60. So we need to have our anchor point down here at 80. This is really easy to do on the PlayStation though, so don't worry. Just take your screwdriver again, remove this one Phillips head, and as you can see, this anchor piece has sort of come away. It's just completely loose. It just sits there as a little spacer. You just take that spacer, put it in the 80 slot, and then we get our PCI 4.0 NVMe 980 Pro by Samsung. Take it out of the box here. And what you want to look for is the two ends. So you've got this end here, which is where your screw is going to go, and you've got this end here, which is the part that actually interfaces with the PlayStation itself. So real simple. You can see the plug in the PlayStation here has a little notch right where that little notch is. So just line those up, give it a little bit of a push. Feels really nice to go in, and then it just lays flat. Take your screwdriver and your little screw and just thread it down. This doesn't require a huge amount of force or torque. You don't want to damage anything here, so just go until it stops. Once that's done, cover it back up. Notice that little tongue in groove that goes just above the NVMe, right there. Our special Sony screw here with the PlayStation logos. And that's basically it. We get that panel back on, just line up. You can see the disc tray here and the slot for it. If you don't have the disc tray PlayStation, be a little bit more difficult. And there you go. Right, and just like that, in 5 minutes, you've fitted a drive and you're ready to start downloading and playing some games at an increased speed. Make sure to check out this Samsung NVMe drive on our Novatech website. And if you like the video, like, comment, subscribe, all that good stuff, and stay tuned for more videos just like this. You guys have given me all of 10 minutes to mentally prepare myself for this, but this is...
I mean, you got your sheet of paper.
That's fine, I'm having a good time, we're having fun. Let's get the knife out of here so I don't look like I'm a psychopath.